Mayor, sa mga areas tayo na minsan madaling magbaha, what do you think is causing the floods in the
Sa
cities,
kuan,
areas?
there are kanang two kinds of flooding. Number one is street flooding. Usually, ang cause ana is ang problem sa drainage. And then the other one is overflow of rivers during a very heavy rainfall. Yes. So kung mag-overflow, overflowing na rivers, mas madali yan siya. Kasi palaliman lang natin and then lagyan ng revetment, lagyan ng dikes, ingana. But ang more complicated is ang drainage. Opo. Kasi ang drainage, since from old and new and ongoing, sometimes di na sila mag-interconnect, sometimes wala na yung outfall, which is the common problem. Nawala ang mga normal na outfall sa drainage because doon na property na nag-build,
Yes, correct.
or doon na building dito nga gi-obliterate niya ang iyahang drainage. So kanang mga ingana. So ang nahitabo sa atoa is that we address case-to-case basis. So if we see na there is flooding in this area caused by a drainage problem, pinapatingnan natin sa ating mga engineers, and then we ask them what is the correct engineering solution to solve the street flooding. So yun. And then also there is the problem of elevation.
Yes.
So ang usual na bagong roads natin, ma'am, is mataas. So ang nangyayari, yung mga properties bumaba. So ang natural outfall, pag hindi maganda yung drainage, papunta doon sa property. So yan yung mga very common na ang nangyayari, yung city government naghahabol. May bumabaha na dito, so anong kailangan gawin? And then pag na-solve na yun, lumipat yung problem. Yes, so usually ang nangyayari sa atin is na naghahabol tayo sa pag-solve ng drainage issues. And ang nangyayari sa atin, ginagawa natin case-to-case basis, ay ang ating master drainage plan was 1995 pa. So it really needs updating, which we intend also to do.
Thank you so much.
Mayor, are you aware that you are influential to many lawmakers? With that influence, how can you help with your father's administration?
I do not think na I am influential sa kanila, but I have many friends who are lawmakers. Yes. Oo.
Kasi the whole Philippines saw when you really put your foot on like the change of House leadership for House Speaker leadership, talagang may nangyari. So, marami akong narinig na istorya na gano'n na talagang you have that influence.
In terms of influence, I really do not know kasi hindi ko pa naman nasubukan na parang magsabi sa kanila and then ginawa nila. Pero madami, yes, Pastor, I have to admit, madami talaga akong kaibigan na mga lawmakers, especially now after the midterm election, na umikot yung HNP to help President Duterte to campaign for the senators. Mas marami kaming na-meet na mga local officials, including their congressmen doon sa, actually, almost the entire country.
Kasi you went around the
Yes,
Philippines
opo.
with the SNP, no? And we see how the influence of the president with your influence, talagang nasiro yung kotse diretso. At saka yung lahat ng mga sinuportahan ninyo ni Presidente, talagang dire-diretso talaga.
Yes, oo. So madami akong na-meet na mga local officials. So naging mga kaibigan
You
na
went to
rin
Luzon,
sila.
no? Luzon,
Yes,
Visayas.
Luzon. Northern Luzon, Southern Luzon, Bicol region, and then Samar, Leyte, Central Visayas, Negros, buong Pilipinas.
Buong Pilipinas, ayun.
We went to Holo, Tawi-Tawi. Ang hindi lang namin napuntahan is Basilan. So sabi ko, wala pa kasi kaming kaibigan doon sa Basilan, but in the future, I'm sure meron yang magiging kaibigan from Basilan. Because we rely on the help of friends, new friends and old friends, para tumulong sa administration ni
So,
President
so how did
Duterte.
you see the political landscape of the Philippines nung umikot ka? Ano may kakaibahan na nakita mo?
Well, iba-ibang areas, iba-iba ang issues nila. Talaga. Some areas, urbanization na yung issues nila. Some areas are really kanang poverty talaga yung
Number one.
issue nila. Oo. So, depende sa area, iba-iba din ang dynamics ng local politics din na pastor. Merong mga areas na, well, then this is the reality of the Philippines. Medyo violent ang kanilang culture sa local politics. So they're easy on violence and baril, mga ganyan.
Pero pumunta ka rin doon.
Yes, oo. Kasi ang pinunta naman namin doon is mga senators. Ang mga senators naman is not do not participate in local politics. Also, tayo din, hindi din tayo sumasali sa local politics.
Pero you campaign there also.
Yes, oo. We ask for their help,
Yeah.
and then we ask the people there if they can help President Duterte.